welcome. Today in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box here. And unfortunately we have no here just any accessories. We have only quick start guide, safety guides, the warranty card, and unfortunately we have no here just the power, the charger brick, the USB cable, the earbuds. We have no here a protective case. So here we can see that in the box we have only Sony Xperia, the smartphone, no just USB, no charger brick here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.